Next up, I would like to introduce Tom Kopec, Director of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for Oracle's North America Cloud Partner Ecosystem. Tom, thank you so much for joining us today. Tom, can you please summarize Oracle's cloud infrastructure strategy?
Great, thank you for having me. Appreciate the opportunity. Yeah, when we talk about Oracle's cloud strategy, we try to make it pretty simple. And we try to enable an organization's journey to the cloud really by providing a pretty comprehensive set of cloud solutions. First and foremost, is where we'll spend our time today, is the cloud infrastructure, which consists of a compute environments, multiple storage environments, multiple networking offerings available to the customer to choose from. But on top of that, we add Oracle applications, analytics technologies, data management technologies, all these offerings spread across 27 different regions worldwide. So we think we try to make it as simple as possible for our customers to get and take advantage of the Oracle cloud environment.
Why do you think Oracle has an advantage over other cloud infrastructure providers?
Yeah, Oracle Cloud, and particularly the OCI or cloud infrastructure, has three key items that differentiate us from the other players in the marketplace. First and foremost, security. And security, as we all know, is on top of everybody's mind. Secondly, performance. And thirdly, the cost. So first of all, from a security point of view, we're going to ensure that we've built into our technology high security capabilities. And it starts with the core infrastructure, separating the network layer from the virtualization layer. Secondly, we are ensuring the best performance in the marketplace today, utilizing the latest offerings from Intel and AMD to ensure you as the customer have the best performance in the marketplace. And then lastly, we're going to ensure that the cost of all the infrastructure components, the compute, the storage, and the networking components are lower than any other players in the marketplace. And a key point around that is the reduction of egress, including for no cost, 10 terabytes of egress on a monthly basis. One of the frustrations that customers have talked to us about other players on, but there's really the three areas that we focus on: security, performance, and cost, which differentiate us in the marketplace.
DR and business continuity is an important area for our customers. What is Oracle's strategy on disaster recovery and high availability in cloud?
Yeah, when we look at high availability and disaster recovery, Oracle's approach in the cloud is really give a customer choice. Now, by default, we have built inside our OCI offering some high availability capabilities, meaning that within every region, there are high availability functions built in to ensure that if there is a failure in a availability domain, for example, you'll continue running. We'll automatically switch over. So customer has choice to work from a high availability point of view in a multiple availability domain environment, which is default to Oracle Cloud. On top of that, disaster recovery comes into play. Now customers say, look, I don't want to put all my resources inside a particular region in Oracle's Phoenix data center, for example. I want a duplicate set of resources in our Ashburn data center. So customer has the choice to stand up a disaster recovery environment inside Oracle's secondary cloud environment, Ashburn, Virginia, as we indicated, for example, or in Frankfurt, Germany, wherever they want. But the choices are there for the customer. So depending on their business and their requirements for high availability and disaster recovery, they can choose to utilize whatever strategy and technology they would like. Very simply, comes down to what the customer choices.
Tom, what do you prescribe as a definitive roadmap to cloud for our customers?
You know, when we talk about a roadmap to cloud, I like to take the approach is, yeah, there's a lot of different strategies a customer might want to follow to getting to cloud. And obviously it depends on the customer business. My guidance is one, start with an expert, start with somebody who's been there. So our partner SuneraTech has that expertise. They've done numerous implementations inside Oracle Cloud. And every cloud, every environment has a lot of idiosyncrasies. So my first guidance is start with an expert. Get somebody in place who's been through this, they know what's going on. And then secondly, focus on the areas you want to move. And from an Oracle strategy point of view, our strategy is one, have customers who utilize Oracle Cloud applications today as the starting point. Maybe lift and shift those applications over to Oracle Cloud, but at the same time, make sure you're looking at your high availability and disaster recovery strategy that we mentioned a few moments ago. There are tools in place a customer can take advantage of for both of those environments. Thirdly, take a look at your custom applications that are maybe utilizing Oracle components, such as an Oracle database, and move those to the cloud environment. Take a look at third-party applications. Yes, you're going to have a discussion with that third-party vendor to make sure they support Oracle Cloud, but those are another opportunity for you to move your solutions and your business to Oracle Cloud. And then another one that's out there right now is VMware environments. There's a play right now where customers who utilize VMware environments can very easily move over to Oracle Cloud. So what I suggest is, one, select a partner to help you. Two, look at your business and make a determination which environments you want to move to cloud. Again, we have our approach from an Oracle point of view, start with Oracle apps and then work to other products. But follow that approach. Get the help, look at your business, and then begin making the move.
Tom, thank you for joining us and sharing the insights with us. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Next up is